Minna no Nihongo N4 Lesson 48 Part 1 Ichiban Oroshimasu put down, lower down. Te o Oroshimasu to put one's hand down. Todokimasu deliver. Kino katta sofa o uchimade todoke sasemashita. I had the sofa I purchased yesterday delivered to my house. Seva o shimasu to take care of. Betto no seva suru no wa taihen desu. It is difficult to take care of pets. Yonban roku on audio recording. Kaigi no roku on o kite shiryo o sukurimasu. I make the documents after listening to the meeting's recording. Goban juku cram school. Hotondo no chugakusei wa juku e kayotte iru. Most of the middle school students attend cram school. Rokuban Seito students. Seito tachi wa sensei no tanjobi ni hana o agemashita. The students gave flowers to their teacher on their teacher's birthday. Nanaban Eigyo department sales. Watashi wa eigyo bude hataraite imasu. I am working in the sales department. Grammar point 1 Causative verbs. Mass form, causative polite form, causative plain form. Group 1 Ikimasu, Ikasemasu, Ikaseru. Kakimasu, Kakasemasu, Kakaseru. Group 2 Tabemasu, Tabesasemasu, Tabesaseru. Group 3 Shimasu, Sasemasu, Saseru. Kimasu, Osasemasu, Osaseru. For group 1 verbs, change the E sound before the mas to the A sound and add semas. For group 2 verbs, drop the mas and add sasemas. Grammar point 2 Causative verb sentences. With some causative verbs, the subject of action is indicated by O, while other it is indicated by ni. In principle, if the verb base is intransitive, O is seen in examples of 1, while if it is intransitive, ni is used as an example of 2. First one, noun person O, causative verb intransitive. Make let person verb intransitive. Example 1, Bucho wa minasan o America e shucho ni ikasemasu. The department manager makes Mr. Miller go to America on business trip. Example 2, Watashi wa musume o shucho ni asobasemasu. I allowed my daughter to play freely. Note, when an intransitive verb with noun place O is used in the sentence, the subject of the action is indicated by ni. Example 3, Watashi wa kodomo ni michi no migi gawa o arukasemasu. I make my children walk on the right hand side of the road. Second point, noun 1 person ni, noun 2 O, causative verb transitive. Make let person verb transitive. Example 4, Asa isogashi desu kara musume ni asa gohan no junbi o tetsudawasemasu. I am busy in the morning, so I get my daughter to help me prepare the breakfast. Example 5, Sensei wa seito ni chiyo ni iken o iwasemashita. The teacher allowed his pupils to express their opinions freely.